Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best soldering station on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. AIXUN T320 Soldering Station. The AIXUN T320 soldering station is a versatile tool for both amateur and professional soldering enthusiasts. Originating from mainland China, it features a sleek design and advanced features, including touch control technology for precise temperature adjustments, button-free operation for seamless adjustments, and a dynamic curve display for real-time feedback on soldering tip temperature and performance. The station can handle various soldering tasks with ease, from delicate electronics to heavier-duty connections. Its robust build and thoughtful design ensure it remains a reliable tool in your workspace. The model number is AIXUN T320 and it weighs 1.13 kilograms. Its touch-free operation minimizes distractions and keeps you focused on your work. The dynamic curve display is particularly useful for complex soldering tasks. Number 4. AIXUN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIXUN A9 Plus is a high-performance soldering station designed for both professionals and hobbyists. It offers powerful performance with a maximum power output of 120 W, making it suitable for various projects. Its universal input voltage capability supports both AC 220V and AC 110V, making it versatile for users worldwide. The AIXUN A9 Plus operates within a 50 to 60 Hz frequency range, ensuring stable and consistent performance. It also meets safety certifications like C, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring it meets high safety and environmental standards. The soldering station is designed with chemical safety in mind, containing none of the high concern chemicals, making it a safer option for those sensitive to harmful substances. Number 3. YIHUA 8786D Soldering Station. The YIHUA 8786D Soldering Station is a versatile tool suitable for hobbyists and professionals, offering powerful performance, precise temperature control, and heat gun functionality. With a maximum power output of 740 W, it can handle delicate components and heavier tasks. The soldering iron has a temperature range of 200 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, ensuring precise heat adjustments. The built-in heat gun operates between 100 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, making it ideal for heat shrink tubing, desoldering, or hot air rework. The station is designed for multiple voltages and comes with interchangeable plug types. It also allows customization of temperature and airflow settings for different applications. C certified, it meets international safety standards, providing peace of mind for users. The versatile design makes it suitable for both DE enthusiasts and electronics repair professionals. Number 2. Sugan A9 Soldering Station. The Sugan A9 Soldering Station is a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists in the electronics field. It offers powerful performance with a maximum power of 120 W, allowing quick heating and stable temperatures for various soldering applications. The station operates on AC 220V or AC 110V input voltage, making it adaptable for different regions. Its frequency range of 50 to 60 Hz ensures compatibility with various electrical systems. The Sugan A9 is designed with customization in mind, allowing users to adjust settings according to their specific needs. The soldering station is certified with C and FCC standards, ensuring high safety and quality standards. Its construction is made with high concern chemicals, making it a safer choice for both users and the environment. The Sugan A9 is a reliable and compliant tool, making it a go-to choice for those demanding precision and efficiency in their soldering tasks. Number 1. JCD 8586D Soldering Station. The JCD 8586D Soldering Station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers precise temperature control and stable performance, ensuring the longevity of electronic components. The included soldering iron heats up quickly, reducing hand fatigue during long projects. The electric soldering iron provides consistent heat and quick response times, allowing precision in delicate jobs. The station's design optimizes space and functionality with a dedicated holder for the soldering iron. The integrated hot air welding station allows for surface mount soldering and desoldering effortlessly. The hot air gun is powerful and adjustable, perfect for heat shrinking and reworking components. The 3-in-1 capability allows users to switch between soldering, hot air welding, and and desoldering, saving space and money. The JCD8586D also serves as a BGA rework station for advanced users, providing precision and control for intricate work on ball grid array components. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.